crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2 and happy Christmas Eve or Merry Christmas Eve, right? It is hard to believe tomorrow is the arrival of the big guy, right? So make sure we get to bed early tonight to give him an opportunity to come down whatever type of chimney that you have. So we can wake up in the morning and see all the fun and cool things that he has brought us. But with that said, we are on day 24 of the 25 days of Christmas with Lynne over at Soft Squares. So let's take a look at what Lynne has brought us today. And so each day has been unique, different. She's brought some things that have just made me go, wow. She's brought me other things that have been okay and nice. But, you know, when you're trying to do 25 days and you're doing it for all ages, folks across the U.S. and Canada and other areas, it's a big ask, right? So she's had a lot of work. So this is the B box, right? It's the 25 days, day 24, Christmas Eve. LED lights are the best for giving bright light in a tight spot. Use this at home or at retreats. So how cool is this? This is an adjustable stand-up LED light, super bright and portable. She valued today's at $10. So is probably about right for this. It does have a USB charger with it. It says that it's super bright portable LED lamp. And I would like to open it, which unfortunately means I may never get it back in the box, right? But it does come with a, I don't know, charger or power cord. We'll have to read about it to see if it's actually can just charge or if it needs to be plugged in. But listen to it. How cool is that? So it does come on a really nice base. Yeah, it definitely has to be plugged in or at least, it doesn't have batteries. So it does need batteries. It does take 4 AA's. So it does come with a nice heavy base. And once they put the batteries in, will definitely be that. So kind of cool. I would absolutely never have bought this for myself, but I can see at quilting retreats and especially some of the work that I do, if you notice, I've got lights everywhere. I definitely have to have a lot of light to keep me happy. And so this is kind of a cool gift. So again, it's one of those that you probably would have walked by and maybe not picked up for yourself. But when someone gifts it to you, it's like, oh, wow, what a super idea or super gift. So I am happy overall with this. So I appreciate you dropping in on Christmas Eve to give me a little bit of your time to talk about my thoughts around Lynne's over at softsquares.com. 25-day box to Christmas. Again, I'm not sponsored by her. I paid for my box just like everybody else did. So you get my full unbiased opinion. But I did like today's box. That said, guys, tomorrow is Christmas Day. The big guy is coming. We do a holiday quilting bee. So if you're not familiar with my channel, Guys Craft 2, we on national holidays get together for a couple of hours. So work together on a project. Tomorrow's is one of those UFO projects. Just bring whatever and try to finish whatever you want before 2026. So that's why we didn't assign a project necessarily this time, but it is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Arizona time. We do some drawings for some prizes in that. That is gifted from Guys Craft 2. So if you have time and can give us a little bit of your holiday tomorrow, that would be awesome. We would enjoy having you join and be part of the live chat. But I appreciate that you joined me for Lynne on softsquares.com and gave me an opportunity to talk a little bit about the unboxing and what she brought to us for day 24, Christmas Eve. So as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.